Let's learn setting product add-on form to modify product price based on quantity. Use the interface to drag and drop the content field to set the custom formula. Enter a custom label for the field to display in the product page. Enable the visible in cart and checkout option to display the field in cart and checkout. Under Pricing option, set the price as custom formula and enter the required formula to calculate the price based on the selected number of quantity of options. Now save the form by clicking the Save Changes options. Now check the front end to see the calculation of the prices based on the quantity of the options. Now you have learned how to use the custom formula to calculate the price. Thank you and have a nice day.